Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard on ongoing, very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. For I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. And to be on the same page one more time, it is because United States of America nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I and enforced finance disability to I and also created finance death to I, and that is the deadliest crime for a nation to enforce poverty to for the fellow mankind. USA nation do not have any birthright to enforce poverty to me. So that is why I'm signing the civil justice sign off in front of all nations, and it is according to the Holy Bible civil law guidelines. So I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off. That way, there is no need for this overview session because it is self explanatory. And once when I'm reading the civil justice, you all will be aware of what the civil justice is all about. On the highest level, it is about the messenger apps, right? Software messenger apps, okay? So for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire king, he wrote, as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew, or of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So, scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica prostitution, software messenger apps, as in iMessenger provided by Apple, Microsoft Teams and provided by Microsoft, and Zoom, and then Cisco WebEx, then Go Meeting, then Google Meeting, then Skype, then WhatsApp nations. They never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme civil judge, and its fatal negligence of Republica prostitution software messenger apps as in iMessenger, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Meeting, Skype, and WhatsApp nations to be fatal negligence. So either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution software messenger apps as an iMessenger, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Meeting, Skype, WhatsApp nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitution software messenger apps, iMessenger, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Meeting, Skype, WhatsApp nations. So, what is the crime? The Republica prostitution software messenger apps, as in iMessenger nations, Microsoft Teams nations, Zoom nations, then Cisco WebEx nations, then Go Meeting nations, then Google Meeting nations, Skype Meeting nations, WhatsApp nations. They created the robocall poverty mandate, and that is a crime. It is deadliest crime, and it is classified as the domestic violence and subclassified as breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. Okay, so I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign off for myself in front of all nations, according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So, USA prostitution software messenger apps as an iMessenger, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Meeting, Skype, WhatsApp nations with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya pro se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, and also enforced finance disabled to I. Vedapriya pro se abruptly. It is crime for Republica prostitution, software messenger apps as an iMessenger, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Meeting, Skype, and WhatsApp nations. When ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya pro se. So civil justices, I. Vedapriya pro se want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off tax-free $4,500, and Republica prostitution software messenger apps as an iMessenger, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Meeting, Skype, WhatsApp nations must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by television channels or the messenger apps worldwide, and selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild, endangered species, and hell creators, and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA can provide the needful assistance. So for I. Vedapriya pro se displayed the absolute monarchs scandal to the USA. I. Vedapriya pro se want USA United States of America to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya pro se to become the Vatican leader is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya and Pope Francis should resign immediately, abruptly is civil justice served, and President Joe Biden to resign abruptly is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya pro se to become the civil supreme judge for all nations is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya to be the family judge, Supreme Court family judge for all nations worldwide is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya pro se to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Import Exports, and Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya pro se to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India is civil justice served, and I. Vedapriya must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served, and I hope we are all in the same page, my dear fellow mankind, and yes, I should get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible, civil law guidelines, right? And I should get the job offer signed off, and I should get the rightful salary, and I should get the rightful national benefits all free, and once when I start the job, I should start providing the design solutions, and then I also should provide the finance compensation to be provided to entire human kingdom. Okay, so that is why I'm displaying all this, each and every single video session. It's all a display of the true crime and who created that crime to the USA government. That way, worldwide, all nations will provide the rightful civil justice in front of all nations. I will get the civil justice. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.